Hey everybody, I've got number 654 ready to show you. This is an alto ukulele, and remember alto is my design. It's sort of a cross between a soprano and a concert. I designed it as just a good all-around small ukulele. Not as tiny as a soprano and not as big as a concert. So anyway, it's got some beautiful quilted maple on the back and sides. Really catches the light. It's really cool. And Bearclaw spruce top. Thought that looked good, set off with walnut binding all around, that darker colored binding, and a walnut bridge too. It's got a salvaged fur neck and then a beautiful dark-ish pistachio fretboard and headplate. Yeah, it's sweet. So spruce and maple, it's always a great combination. That's how violins are made. It's tried and true. So yeah, this is a lovely, lightweight, smallish instrument, but it's got plenty of big sustain and tone. I really like it. So yeah, that's 654. Cheers.